Zimdanzo is more than just music. It's a culture, a voice, and for many, a way of survival in the ghetto. Big question has always been debated. Ndiye akambotanga nezimdanzo. Really started with the powerful movement Zimdanzo. So today, that's what we are looking about in today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch the video till the end. We are going to have 3 chapters into the video. Chapter 1, the history of Zimdanzo. To understand Zimdanzo, we need to rewind. Zimbabwe in the 80s and 90s were dominated by reggae and raga. Maimports aiva kupi to Jamaica. Artists like Shaba Ranks, Beanie Man, and Buju Banton were ruling the dances worldwide. In Zimbabwe, Ngesina Kusariro behind. My local DJs and my sound system started playing my records. My places are Sanambare, Highlands, and Chitungwiza. Then my youth Baba Tanga Vitaya taught imitation to the Jamaican style, but slowly my lyrics achitanga kushifta kubva ku the reggae kuenda kushona and the local slang. In the early 2000s, the underground studios like Shoesport Records, Sunshine Records became hubs for raw talent. The genre was no longer Jamaican danzo, it was something unique, and it was called Zimdanzo. It was ghetto sway, ikunotaura their own story, struggles, hustle, love, and street pride. Chapter 2, who started it? Diana Kanyapotanga Zimdanzo. Now here's the hot debate. Who really started Zimdanzo? Different camps have different answers. Some say Sniper Storm with hits like Love M Soldier in the early 2000s was one of the first with a Zimdanzo on radio, never mainstreams. Others, votiWinky is the time pioneer. His early songs and defined the Zimdanzo sound, blending Shona near the heavy Zimdanzo rhythm. But then, Winky D and Sniper Storm, there is King Labash, Dada D, and artists from 90s and early 2000s who were recording ghetto style reggae in Shona long before the movement had a name in the Zimdanzo. Some even credit my DJs, my producers like DJ Flavor and Levels from Shoesport as the ones vakanyatso shape the Zimdanzo into
handitye zvinotyisa ndototyisawo kana baba vangu vanotondityawo vazhinji kuchikoro waindidzidzavo kwapera gemu ndobvozonditadzawo muhombe ndiri muhombe kwete zvekutaura kwete ngavasandiba.
So guys, the truth is it wasn't one single person aka-invent Zimdanzo or who was behind Zimdanzo. It was a collective wave of ghetto youth build the foundation. But for mainstream's recognition, many still crown Winky D as the godfather of Zimdanzo. What do you think? Drop your comment in the comments. Chapter 3, the future of Zimdanzo.
Zvirisiya kumana. Tati tibokusanganisa kungochinja kuti hauze zvinoitika final. Maiziya, zita ndiani futi?
Hulengende.
Right, akumana apa makodzorerana ka 3 chete. Kuti tikona kuti mukasangana zvinofamba sei. Right, handi.
Maigoro ndi mambo. Hulengende wakudhonza tambo. Wambinga kusimuka se. Hanzi. Kune vanotaura toshi apa vachinhuhwa fish, havana gobho vanorova mawish, vakamira stagnant semvura iri mudish, vazama mishmosh sekundikanda mbush, ndavamhanyisa sporo vakasiya mapush, miyabhadhadhandem ndinenge pita toshi, vari kuti vakabaka vachirova karosh, vakomana vanosara vakomana vebush.
Fast forward to today, Zimdanzo is unstoppable. Artists like Enzo Aisha, artists like Hingwere, Silent Killer, and the list is endless, are carrying the torch. The genre has moved from backyard studios to international stages. But the big question is, what's the future? Some say Zimdanzo must evolve to stay alive, mixing with Afro beats and hip hop to reach global audiences. Others vanoti aiwa ndaingoramba yakadaro ingori authentic kughetto because that's where the real power lies. We can also see a brighter future of Zimdanzo. with events like the Zimdancehall Awards and my cup clashes that prove culture is above, but new generation will decide if it becomes global or slangs local. So Ndiana akatanga nezimdanzo, maybe there is no single answer. It was the streets, the ghetto youths, and the passion that gave birth to this movement. But one thing is clear, Zimdanzo is here to stay. Let me know in the comment section who do you think deserves the crown as the pioneer of Zimdanzo, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. This has been Jay Ziminovs. Peace. So you heard it, guys. Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Jay Ziminovs.